Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. My name is Marla Meridith. This recipe is from my cookbook, High Alpine Cuisine. You can easily order a copy at Amazon. Today we are making this Campfire Skillet S'mores Dip. When it comes to sweets, especially at high altitude, because I'm at 9,000 feet, I prefer things that aren't complicated like cakes. Those can get weird around here unless you're following a certain science. These s'mores are perfect for any altitude, and I know most of you guys live more at sea level or at lower altitude, so it's no worry. Anyway, all right, all we need for this recipe are 5 ingredients. It couldn't be easier. I've got butter, chocolate, cream, graham crackers, and marshmallows. What makes this dessert extra fun is it's more of a dip. And how do we get it that way? I use my 10-inch cast iron skillet. This is probably my favorite item in the kitchen. They're super affordable. I'll leave a link for you at the end of this video so you can buy one too if you don't already have a skillet. If you are already a part of the cast iron family, then you know how valuable these skillets are. And the great news is they're super cheap to buy online, so it's worth it. If you're last minute like me, then you will love the idea that you can have this dessert on the table for hungry guests in under 20 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you back here at my YouTube channel real soon. If you don't already, go ahead and please subscribe. I post a few times a week.